Student, in this video we will discuss about the force, and by the force the object get the state of the object get changed. So student, first of all I want to tell you about the state of the motion. So what is the state of the motion? So state of the motion can be described by uh, the speed of the object and its direction. Yes, and the object having the two type of state of motion, one is the rest, another one is a motion. So both are the state of motion. Student, for that I want to give example, that is the as a student you can see here, the on the screen one player is playing basketball, okay, and through this basketball you can understand about the state of motion, and the property of state of motion, that is a speed. Yes, so for example, this player is playing with this basketball, and he is exerting the force on this basketball. So this basketball is striking on the floor and coming back. Yes, so as he again put the force by his hand, so the speed of the basketball increase. Yes, and as he remove his hand from the basketball, when basketball return from the after the striking from the floor, so what will happen, the speed of the basketball decreases. You can see, you can do this activity at your home also if you have ball. So if you strike the ball by the helping of your palm and putting the pressure on that ball, so what you will find, you will find the speed of that ball increases. Yes, as you remove your hand from that ball, so automatically the speed of the ball decreases. So this is all about the speed. This is the state of motion property, that is a speed. So speed of object may increase or decrease. So from this activity we can understand, if we apply the force on any object, so the speed of the object may increase, or if we put the pressure in opposite direction of an object, if on of an moving object, so what will be there, the speed of uh, the speed of the object may decrease. Yes, different by one activity by the cricket, you can see on the screen the one of the picture of the cricket. This when the student, the player hit the ball. Yes, so when the bowler throw the ball, then player maybe stop, yes, through that bat. So what will be there, he is the player, the best man is putting the pressure, putting the force against the speed of moving ball. So because of that ball get stopped, and when the player, the batsman hit the ball, hit the six. Yes, so during the playing the shot, so what we will see, that the direction of the moving object get changed, and when the player put the force in the same direction some of the time, and some of the time, if the ball is moving and during the uppercut, yes, in the cricket, so when he touch the ball, so automatically the ball go for the six. So this is the what, when moving object, when we apply the force on the moving object in the same direction, then the force get increase. Yes, and if we put or exert the pressure in against the direction of the object or the ball, so ball get or the object get stop. So from here we from these activity we can understand about the how the speed of object can increase or decrease. So here student, you need to do activity 11.5,
you need to do this yourself. So when you will do this, so you will find and understand about the change in a shape of object when we exert the pressure on the object. Yes, so one of the example, the first example is the way changing in the shape of dough. Yes, when we put the pressure, when we put the force on the dough, so the shape of the dough get changed. Why? Because we are exerting pressure during the formation of chapati on the dough. That's why the shape of the dough get changed. So this is all about the properties and the state of motion, by which we can understand, yes, the state of motion get changed when we exert the force on the object. So this is all about this video, and thank you.